Hello, today I'm going to show you an awesome unboxing video by me for you. Today let me introduce you the ESDDI 10 inches LED ring. Oh yeah. It is a light with tripod stand and dimmable brightness selfie ring light with phone holding system for live streaming, makeup, YouTube and photography and so much more. We have here a 10 inches ring. I own an 18 inches ring too, and this is really large ring, really large. Boy. But there's a problem with it. This is for large sets. And if you are going to make a vlog on your desktop, then it's better to make this a little bit smaller. And for this, I bought this ESDDI LED ring, 10 inches. It is in 2-in-1 design. It combines phone holder and selfie ring light together. It can help us whenever we need extra light for makeup, for taking photos, for making videos, reading books, for example, too, and live streaming. We have here a dimmable ring light. 3 colors. White, warm, white, warm. Okay, white. The white color will be changed to warm white, and the white color itself, and only white. Okay, you have white, this is a little bit blue, then warm white, this is orange, and warm light. The warm light is more orange, with excellent color rendering. CRI larger than 90. The CRI is larger than 90. This is good. And 10 adjustable brightness levels for each color. Perfect dimmable brightness. And colors meet all what we're going to need. It is USB powered and it has a Bluetooth remote. The USB ports can be used with multiple devices, such as connect USB charger from your smartphone example, or mobile power, like in power bank, or in computer host, and laptops too. The Bluetooth remote control can provide suitable help in our selfies and photography. We will be able to enjoy an LED ring light at any time freely. And it contains a universal mobile phone holder. The light ring has an adjustable mobile phone holder in the middle of the lamp to make selfies easier. The neck is flexible and can be expanded to 3.6 inches in the width. It's suitable for most mobile phones, vertically or any ideal angle we are going to want. And as you can see, I can dock an iPhone 11 without any problems on it. This is really good. The model is PLVR120. The material is made out of ABS. The power is 10 watt. The charging port is USB. And LED lamp beads built in are 120 pieces. And they were built in a circle, in a halo, in a ring. The power supply motor is DC 5 volt 2 ampere. This is standard on the market. That means you can dock it and reload and use it with a smartphone power supply. No problem with it. The color rendering index is more RR is more than 90. The size is 26 to 39 centimeters. It's really easy to adjust. You have a mobile phone holder, an angle adjustment knob, a ring light, a flexible metal hose, a tripod, increased brightness, color temperature mode adjustable, 3000 Kelvin, 4000 Kelvin and 5600 Kelvin. And it decreases the brightness. And of course, you have a power on and off knob. Easy. And you can make a setup with the wire at the USB charging wire contains some knobs on it, and then you can switch the level up, level down, and switch between the colors. Really easy to use, really easy. And of course, you can use the Bluetooth remote control to switch on or off your video content. It's easy to attach because you have only 3 up to 4 components in it. You have the tripod, then you have the gimbal. The gimbal is 360 degrees rotatable, no problem. You can switch it on or off as you like. Then on the top of side you can attach the ring, and inside the ring you can attach the smartphone holding system. Then only switch the USB cable into a power supply and start to have fun if you are going to use the knobs on the line. Really easy. And it makes so nice colors and so nice. It will help you if you are having some makeup designs, if you are a makeup artist, or if you make video log as well. No problem. You can switch and use the knobs to make the right setup for you. 3 light models and 10 brightness levels each. That means you have so many different options to get the right power and the right color for yourself. And the RCI restores true is the CRR is more than 90. This is awesome because it's more powerful. Then you have an excellent dissipation system. It prevents the ring light from overheating, so you can use it a long time, no problem. And it's 360 degrees adjustable angles. So this is really awesome. It is multifunction use for vlog, for videos, for photos, for makeup, for everything what you want. You have a charming eyes effect while you're using the ring. It's really awesome. The ESDDI PL4R120 LED Live Beauty Makeup Light, widely used in living or live broadcast, beauty makeup, videos, indoor still life, lighting scenes of outdoor activities. And if you're going to use to get a power bank as a power supply, you can make this outdoor too. ESDDI was founded in 2015 by a group of young people who love photography. The brand concept of standing from the perspective of users. That is a good thing, making professional products easier to use, and it's really easy to use. The product line covers photography lights, video lights, ring lights, as here to see, studios, microphone series, and ESDDI is specialized in photography equipment, such as photographic light stands, lightning sets, camera tripods, etc. They have so many things what they're going to build. This is now my third product, I think, from ESDDI. The first was an LED spot, and this LED spot I'm using, I think, 3 years. That means it's good quality thing. You can use it for makeups. It helps us to get the right light when applying the makeup to achieve the perfect makeup. Yeah. And you can use it for video conference. Allows us to get enough light during meetings, teaching, video chatting, the pictures bright and clear. And you can use it for daily fill light that can meet readings, night lights, this the warm white mode, B-side light, and other daily fill light. That means you can use it as a lamp too. So many. Oh, yeah. And compared with the 8 inches or smaller rings light, the aperture is brighter and the color temperature range is wider. 10 inches is, I think, the right ring for your desktop. It's suitable for a variety of tripods. The standard 1/4 interface allows us to connect the ring light to a variety of different tripods, allowing us to get a variety of angles and height of light. This is good. It's 1/4 interfaces. That means I can use all my stuff for it. This is standard in photography. And the switch is easy. You have Bluetooth, of course. Switch the function of Bluetooth on in your smartphone. Then switch on the remote and then pair it each other and job's done. It's really easy. Then you can switch on and off your smartphone photo app, for example, to make videos, to make photos. And it's easy and it's good. I like it really much. This is the ESDDI 10 inches LED ring light with a tripod stand and dimmable brightness level. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe me and give me a positive feedback, and I hope to see you again on my channel. Soon.